You just have to try harder than you fight. You might be lost like sunshine in the night. You know what these
Small enough to drive through city streets, but still big enough to escape into the unknown. A dynamic performance car that guarantees exciting driving and superior comfort and safety. The all-new Mazda CX-30 is beautiful inside and out, from flowing body lines to sophisticated interior design and innovative underbody technology. Everything complements each other and thus enhances your lifestyle and makes your journey special.
to do? Is it all now up to you? I am not that strong. I don't even know where I belong.
All engines manufactured with the latest SKYACTIV technology are equipped with Mazda M hybrid electric propulsion technology, reducing fuel consumption without affecting engine power. The space is comfortable, designed for 5 people, with more freedom to move around and socialize, and offers incredible views of the exterior. The concept also extends to the luggage compartment with enough space for all luggage.
You just have to try harder than you fight. You might be lost like sunshine in the night.
Mazda harmonic acoustics in the cabin and almost no noise outside ensure a fun ride for all passengers. Smart technology combined with human-centered design allows you more control and safety on the road.
You fight, you might be lost like sunshine in the night. You know what they say.
Every curve, contour and detail, up to the last LED lights, together create the impression of movement and dynamics.